This video is all about how to say yes or no in Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo. Of course, in Tagalog or Filipino, to say yes, that's either oo or opo. And to say no in Filipino or in Tagalog, that is hindi or hindi po. While in Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo, to say yes, it's either huo or huod. Huo, huod. And to say no, that is hindi. Hindi. Huo, huod, hindi. Let us have the following sample sentences which are answerable by yes or no. Makaon ka na? Will you eat? Makaon ka na? When we say kaon, that means eat or is related to eating. Makaon ka na? Huod. Makaon na ako. Huod, makaon na ako, which means yes, I will eat now. And to say no, you can reply with hindi. Hindi pa ako magkaon, which means no, I will not eat yet. Hindi pa ako magkaon. If, say, the question is makaon ka na, you can just answer with huod or huo or hindi. Just that is already okay and understandable. But of course, you can also answer in a complete sentence. Mapuli ka na sa Pasi? Mapuli ka na sa Pasi? That means will you go home in Pasi? Mapuli ka na sa Pasi? To answer yes, you can just respond with huod or huo. And to say no, just reply with hindi. But of course, you can answer in a complete sentence. Mapuli ka na sa Pasi? Huod, mapuli na ako. Or hindi pa ako magpuli. Gusto mo mag-nurse? Gusto mo mag-nurse? Do you want to be a nurse? Gusto mo mag-nurse? To answer yes, that's huod or huo. And no is hindi. But to answer in a complete sentence, you say huod, gusto ko mag-nurse, or huo, gusto ko mag-nurse. And to say no, that is hindi ako mag-nurse or hindi ko gusto mag-nurse. Gusto mo mag-nurse? Huod, gusto ko mag-nurse or hindi ko gusto mag-nurse. Makadto ka sa Rojas? Makadto ka sa Rojas? Will you go to Rojas? Makadto ka sa Rojas? You can answer with huod or huo to say yes and hindi to answer no. To answer the complete sentence, you can say huod, maparohas ako, or huo, maparohas ako, which means yes, I will go to Rojas. And to answer no, in a complete sentence, you say hindi ako magparohas, which means no, I will not go to Rojas. Hindi ako magparohas. Makadto ka sa Rojas? Huod, maparohas ako, or huod, makadto ako sa Rojas. Maparohas ka? Hindi ako magparohas or hindi ako magkadto sa Rojas. The last one is malakat na kita subong. Malakat na kita subong. Shall we go now? Subong is now. Malakat na kita subong. To answer yes, that is either huod or huo, and to answer no, that's hindi. Malakat na kita subong, huod or huo, and to say no, that's hindi. And of course, you can answer in a complete sentence. Malakat na kita subong, huod, malakat na kita, or huo, malakat na kita. And to answer no, you reply with hindi pa kita maglakat. Malakat na kita subong, huo, malakat na kita, huod, malakat na kita, or hindi pa kita maglakat. Once again, to say yes in Hiligaynon, that is either huo or huod, and to say no, that's hindi. Huo, huod, hindi. And that's all for this video, which is about how to say yes or no in Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Madamo gid nga salamat, kag halong gid pirmi. Thank you very much and take care always.